Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We have given a plus a is equals to 15, a plus b is 8, then a times b is what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? So comment your comment what number you find and watch my solution in this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and activate the notification bell here on the channel because we daily upload free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look to the resolution of this sequence. So a plus a is 3a is equals to 15. Now to isolate a, I'm going to divide with 3 both sides. So the value of a is 5. Now put in second step, the value of a is 5. So 5 plus b is 8. So b is equals to 8 minus 5. So b is equals to 3. Now a times b, that is 5 times 3, which is 15. So what replace the question mark? 15. Comment down below if you already solved it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.